Kakagising lang ng bata.
Ayun,
Wakey. Doon, sa kabila. Oh, wala din. Maybe it's senior. Go to Tito Al. Go to Tito Al.
Tita, look at that! So big!
What's that? Oh, Christmas tree! Let's go! Do you want to go there? Oh, come here, Dali, come here. Let's go. Let's go, go. Wow, that's so big Christmas tree. Come here, Liv. This, come here. You want to see that? Christmas tree. Big Christmas tree. Look at the camera. Tiny Christmas tree.
sige ako. Ito po sila tita. Debit 1.6 sila tita.
Hindi pa dapat ka naman ba na? 6 nyo, 7.
1. Ito po. Pas lang na. Thank you po.
Oh, it's a swimming pool.
Yung plain rice po, 11 cups.
Ano ba mo?
Yung drinks po later na lang po, pagdating na lang po namin dyan. Okay po. Then, meron po kaming 4 na senior and isang PWD.
Wow. Nougat yan, matamis. Ang ano to kaya? Ano? Ay, nako, walnut.
Rice and dates.
Rice and dates. Lai. Tapos ang hapon. Hak.
Dito na.
There's a rock.
Kami, ako ka lang sa katabi niya. Dito ako sa kalaman. Oo, kaya.
Lahat pala nandito yung camera namin. Eh di kami lang ni Elis ang kita. Hidang ko pa.
Ay, ako na ka.
Aba, 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 aba.
Gusto na yung baby bangs. Anong gagawin natin today? After natin we eat, we go to the Koi Fish. Gusto mo yun?
I want to see.
Tapos isang
You wanna see koi fish? You wanna...
Wait,
Color orange. And then one is...
we like to eat
Yeah, like goldie. Tapos you will feed them. You like that?
Ooh, I wanna.
Then after that, anong gagawin natin?
pain na lang.
We will fix your baby bangs.
Yes, sir. I will do the haircut.
Si tita din magpapahair. Samahin si tita.
Okay.
And then after that,
Pwede ba
samahan mo si tita bumili ng shoes. Tama?
Aba, oo.
Bibili ako shoes, ikaw?
Program niya yung
Yeah. Bibili ako tayo.
kasi gumising.
Lang?
Sabihin mo kay Lola Sean kumain. Talawin mo kay Lola Sean.